rocking in the free world, baby. Oh yeah. Hey everybody. Happy Tuesday. Happy 420. Just saying. So, what's new? What's new with you? Let's let you talk a little while on this thing. Tell me what's going on. Huh. Really? Ah. With a nerve. Uh-huh. Yeah. I remember you mentioning her before, right? Oh, wow. Really? Oh, man, I'd have that looked at. You know. Actually, I've got a doctor who's very discreet. Just let me know. I could shoot you the number over. Huh? What's that? Ah, 12. It's true. Okay, enough about you. Today, we're doing, 73 for the 10 and 10 today. 73 is a good year. Those early 70s, just a rich vein of, I said vein, of just rock yummy goodness. Like, I'm just going to kind of peel away the layers and get right to the gooey nougat. Nougat. What is nougat? As soon as I get off here, I'm going to Google nougat. It's starting to sound funny to me now. Google nougat. Actually, I think that's a band that played at Coachella over the weekend. Hey-yo. So 73 for the 10 and 10. We've got your Triple Play Thursday again this week, obviously. I don't need to go over this. TriplePlayThursday.com is where you need to go get the details, okay? Blah, blah, blah. And, tomorrow, 2 weeks from tomorrow, May 5th, is our next Album Sides Wednesday. So put that in your little BlackBerry Palm daytimer calendar thingy. So it'll, pop up and remind you. If you know what I mean. Whatever. All right. And the answer to your question is no, I'm not high. As far as you know.